Hey there, future coders. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we break down the essentials of Python straight from your answer bar. Today we are diving into Python. So let's get started. Python is a high level interpreted language. It's designed as easy for humans to read and write. And no worries, it handles all the complex stuff under the hood. Think of Python as your coding buddy that takes care of the heavy lifting, focus on creating. First, let's talk about the Python IDE, which is Integrated Development Environment. It's like your coding playground where you write, test, and debug your programs. An IDE makes coding fun and less intimidating. For Python, you might use IDLE or any IDE like VS Code. Now let's jump into the basic concepts. Python uses variables to store data. Imagine variables as boxes where you can keep different types of stuff like numbers, text, or even more complex data into these boxes. Here is a quick example. This line of code stores the string self in a variable named. Next, we have data types. Python supports several data types like integer, float, string, and boolean. Integers are whole numbers, floats are decimal numbers, strings are text, and booleans are true or false values. Understanding these basics is crucial because they form the building blocks of your program. Let's move on to operators. These are symbols that perform operations on variables and values. Arithmetic operators help you to map, while comparison operators like compare values. Control flow is another fundamental concept. This includes if-else statement. If-else statements allow your program to make decisions while loops make repeated blocks multiple times. For instance, for instance, a loop can iterate over a list of items, making it super handy for repeated tasks. And that's a wrap on chapter 5. You have just scratched the surface of Python. These basics prepare a solid and foundation for advanced topics ahead. So keep practicing, stay curious, and remember every expert was once a beginner. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up too.